Yo. Jumping on this beat, so now what's up? I'll pull out the clips, then I hit you in your gut. I got a damn chopper, it'll chop your ass up. Hit you from your neck to your throat to your gut. Chop you in pieces and I'll leave you to the front. Kill your ass every time with my Tommy gun. Leave you in the streets, kill you where you lay. You a bitch ass fool and I'm from PA. 276, so you know what I claim. 808 Crips, so you know what I bang. You see up, nigga, so you know what's cracking. You get to this beat and this shit get the clapping. You better stop yapping when I get on this beat. Ain't cool as me, and I do keep it G. We stay in the streets all fucking week. Do all the shit, so you know what I mean. We in Murderville, in every fucking street. Claiming to the left, so you know you can meet. Dark Southside, where my fucking homies ride. We get on you bitches, and it'll be a homicide. Yo, and you don't want this beef, cause I am a real nigga, and I do stay street. You ain't with the shit, you some pussy ass beef. I'll eat your girl up, then I spit her at your feet. And you ain't like me, cause I am on the shit, and I do keep it G. Bitch ass fools ain't never like me, cause you wish you was Smiley, cause I do keep it G. Tat it all up, getting to the bitches and they sucking on my nut. And I don't fucking front, cause I do get on the beat and make the track